At McMaster Engineering, we refer to ourselves as the Fireball family. It's a very supportive and community environment. We have a lot to offer our prospective students. We have the second largest cooperative education program in Canada. We have over 70 clubs and teams, and most importantly, spend time making friends, making connections, and doing things outside of the classroom.
I've gone to open houses and I've come here and I've looked at the campus, and I really liked the flexible first year, especially with engineering, right? You have this general first year. If you're not really sure about what you're going to do, you get a little bit of everything.
I came into MAC, I was at the open house previously, and I sat down for one of the info sessions. I just felt I was going to have a really great time. All the different opportunities you have for research, even all throughout your degree, was another big part of it for me. I'm really excited to attend McMaster Engineering.
With McMaster having a really diverse community, I'm able to connect to people on a cultural level and just kind of share my worries and beliefs with them and get guidance from people.
Being an international student, McMaster Engineering, it feels more like a community, a home that welcomes students from around the world. And another key reason that I chose McMaster Engineering was McMaster offers about 750 plus hours of hands-on lab experience, which was really great to me because hands-on experience is what's needed apart from theoretical experience in going to the industry.
McMaster Engineering gives our students a great education and also a great community, not just among the students, but also a community between our TAs, between our faculties, with our students. Really, like when you come into engineering at MAC, it's coming into a family. You're not just coming to study, but you're coming into a faculty that's going to welcome you with open arms.